Hey everyone, and welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to check in online for your Singapore Airlines flight. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open your browser and search for Singapore Airlines. On the home page, look for check-in option and tap on it. Next, you will be taken to the online check-in page. Here, you need to enter your booking reference, e-ticket number, or even display your membership number along with your last name. Then after you do that, just tap on check-in. After that, review your flight details, confirm your travel documents, and if available, you can also select or change your seat. Once you have completed the process, your boarding pass will be generated. You can save it to your phone, email it yourself, or even add it into your mobile wallet for easy access at the airport. And that's it, you're all set to check in online for a Singapore Airlines flight. Thanks for watching, and have a safe journey.